What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful, as you can see, BRABUS vehicle right in front of me. Now this is the A180 that has a lot of BRABUS kits on the car. It is absolutely stunning, guys. Let's take a walk around to show you guys all the BRABUS wordings and options that are physically available on this particular unit. Now let's take a look at how amazing this car looks, guys. Now this is a yellow car, as you can see, but let's start off with the front badging, guys. Check out the B. There's a B right there. It's not the Mercedes logo, but the BRABUS badging. Your lights are having the multi-beam LED light system, so it's even more, how to say this, better compared to the LED high performance, the normal ones. But check out the skirting that they have right here, the BRABUS badging that is over there. So that is absolutely amazing. I like how the cut comes in here and stops just here and continues with the chrome lining, because this is a A180, right? So the bumper has that started grille that we have on it. You also get your BRABUS badging right at the front. Very nice indeed. You got your number plate that goes right there. Amazing black finishes on the right side, as well as the even more right side right here, so it's beautiful. Now check out the wheels, man, dude. The wheels are absolutely beautiful, man. You got this BRABUS wording right where the wheel is, the red outer lining that goes all over the place. You got your B badging right in the center of the caps, your BRABUS brake calipers. Amazing how the wordings are like that. Solid disc brake over there, Continental tires that are here, and also the tire size would be around 235, 35, 19 inch. That's the front wheel size, guys. Now let's take a look at the side here. It says powered by BRABUS, the badging at the side of the car. Now this particular unit, it has about 177 horsepower. The torque on this car is about 275 Newton meters of torque. 274 Newton meters of torque. So side mirrors, guys. You got your yellow side mirrors. You got your turn indicators right here. You got your side mirror right there with the blind spot assist. Opening up of the doors. Let's check the interior out. Start off with the doors first. You got your seat adjustments over here. You got your ventilated seats for heater, I believe. And also you get your, heated seats are here. And you also get your window adjustments right here, opening up of the doors. You also get some compartment storage down here together with your cup holder. Speaker goes there. Beautiful part about this is that the BRABUS wording is right here. So that's damn cool, man. Now, check out the inside before we have a seat, right? Aircon vents, blacked out like that. Absolutely aggressive looking design. I love it a lot. Now check the dashboard out, guys. This is a very nice soft padding dashboard. Glove compartment is right here. You got this red lining that goes right across. I believe this car does not have the ambient lighting. That's why it's all blacked out. The aircon vents and things like that. Super nice and clean. You got your other compartment storage right here, cup holder right here. You got your USB Type-C charging over there. Closes, opens directly, kind of cool. You got your driving mode dynamics over here, parking for your auto parking as well as your camera. Vehicle settings, favorite button, telephone, radio, media, navigation and map, together with your volume up, volume down, your touchpad to control the main screen. And of course, this is where you rest your palm, so you can do the swiping here and there. So down here, you have your other two Type-C charging right here. Amazing compartment storage down there. Steering wheel looks fantastic, guys. Now this is me sitting comfortably at the front. Seat belts are in black. Very cool. Very nice. Now, let's check out the rear of this car. Before we head down to the rear part of this car, I believe the seat is a bit too back. So let's move it to the front a little bit to match the pillar. There we go. Now that's just nice. So check out the wheels before we head down to the back seats, right? You got your red lining that is on the outer layer. BRABUS badging right there. Beautiful. I love it. Continental tires again. Your tire size is 235/35R19, guys. Amazing. Got your red calipers right there. Solid disc brake right there. I love the wheel, man, because of this BRABUS wording badging right here, blacked out with the red lining. Fantastic. Petrol cap goes right there, amazing. The door side handles are right here, window adjustments here, red stitching goes on the door. You got this Alcantara suede finish happening. Got other materials here also as well. This one is where you grab your handle, compartment storage down there. Amazing rear storage compartment, sorry, seating compartment. So this is me sitting comfortably where I am right now. What I'm looking at is right in front here, very clean look. Air vents right here. You got your Type-C charging, 2 of them down here. Compartment storage right there. Very nice. I believe that's for you to throw some small rubbish or whatnot. Net to keep some stuff. Amazing comfort seating position. Okay, so now check out the rear part of the car, guys. My favorite part would be the spoiler that we have right here, the BRABUS wording. Amazing, aggressive looking spoiler. We have something joined in the center right here. Fantastic. Roof is yellow. Very nice spoiler at the top rear. Now you have your B badging for the BRABUS right in the center. You got your BRABUS wording right here. Number plate goes there. Your lights left and right, fantastic. You got your exhaust pipes that are in this carbon fiber BRABUS like wording. Very nice, very sleek looking, aggressive looking rear diffuser. Very nice. Blacked out finish. You also get some stuff over here. So got two exhaust pipes, so it's fantastic for the rear. Now, let's jump to the driver's side to show you guys the driver's sitting position. You got also BRABUS wording right here. I like how the light changes. You also get your BRABUS pedals right here. Very nice touch. Window adjustments, child lock for the windows, and side mirror adjustments. Memory seats for the driver's seat also as well. Heated seat, opening up of the doors, locking and unlocking, handle to hold, compartment storage. Take a seat right here, and beautifully fitted steering wheel. You got your negative shift down here, positive shift up there. You got your drive selector, window adjustments, wiper adjustments, and again your climate control similar to what's earlier. Light adjustments over here. Now this is me sitting comfortably right in the driver's seat. Now let's turn on the front daytime running lights to show you guys how does the car look at the front. So you got your DRLs running on the left side right here, on the right side right here, and also the rear does look very sporty indeed. You got those cuts that we have right there. So amazing hatchback. Can't seem to find a hatchback right now, but I think this is a very good hatchback for you guys to take a look at. Now let's turn on the turn indicators for you to see the signal goes where. Right at the side mirror underneath, and some right here. Amazing outlook for this yellow unit. I love it, man. Beautifully done. Check out the rear. Turn indicators on the left bottom and the right bottom. So yeah, so that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about BRABUS cars, do head down to Damansara, Pencalaling, and you'll be able to locate them right here. So right now we have one unit, which is right here, the A180, but they call it the B18. So it's BRABUS spec'd up version of the Mercedes-Benz A180. And we also have this guy right here. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.